Hey guys, what's up? It's your girl Pilar. Welcome back to the channel. Now in this video, I'm going to do a full Ibotta review. I'm going to share with you how to use the app, as well as my favorite Ibotta tips and tricks that have helped me earn over $17,636 in cashback rewards and bonuses. Now, I think a lot of people look at this number and they think it's unachievable, but I'm going to share with you my best hacks. I'm also going to share with you how to use one particular feature on Ibotta to earn this amount of money. So stick around till the end. You're going to hear all about this. Now, if you don't currently have Ibotta, then definitely download the app. Use the promo code you see on your screen. That's going to give you a $10 bonus sign up reward once you scan your first receipt to Ibotta. Now, guys, stick around. This is going to be a good one. So most people know Ibotta as a free smartphone app that offers grocery couponing deals, but there's so much more to Ibotta than just that. It's a full-scale shopping rebate rewards app, and it's also a browser extension, so you can download this on desktop, on Chrome, as well as Firefox. Now, Ibotta savers get rewarded in real cash for redeeming offers from Ibotta partnered retailers and brands. With Ibotta, you can earn cashback rewards on groceries, wine and beer, clothing, restaurants, and more. But I'm also going to show you how I score 15 to 20% cashback rewards on my gift card purchases. So I've bought gift cards for AMC movie theaters and Airbnb gift cards on Ibotta that have earned me cashback rewards. Now, there's also the annual Ibotta app free Thanksgiving dinner promotion, as well as the Ibotta game day promotion. Now, you can read about that separately. I will post the links down below in the descriptions of this YouTube video. How to use the Ibotta app. In a nutshell, this is how to use the Shopping Rebates Rewards app. You want to download the free Ibotta app on iOS or on Android phones, then link your store loyalty accounts to Ibotta for paperless redemption of rebate rewards. Then add offers to your Ibotta shopping list by pressing the plus sign next to the item that you plan on redeeming. Then shop eligible offers in store or online. Submit your receipt to earn cashback rewards on eligible purchases. Then cash out your Ibotta earnings to PayPal, bank card, or a gift card once you reach the $20 minimum threshold to cash out. Now, if you don't have a store loyalty account, then you can simply snap a photo of your receipt. Ibotta will find and match eligible offers found on your receipt. Now, here's a quick tutorial for how to use the Ibotta browser extension to shop rebate rewards on desktop. So from desktop, you want to add the free Ibotta browser extension to Chrome or Firefox and log into your Ibotta account. Then when you visit a supported site, the Ibotta Money Saver extension will pop up. Click Activate in the extension window to activate your cashback rewards. Now, if you want to shop grocery pickup and delivery through the Ibotta extension, simply sign into your grocery or delivery account. If you don't have an account, create one first, then add offers to your shopping list. Now find cashback offers in the extension window, then shop and pay as you normally do. Ibotta will send you an email when the pending period is complete. Cashback earnings will be added to your Ibotta account on all eligible purchases. So even though I use the Ibotta app on a weekly basis for my grocery shopping, I actually don't use the Ibotta browser extension for my online shopping. Now that's because I found that Rakuten browser extension offers more deals and better deals on things such as clothing, electronics, and kitchen purchases. Now I've been using the Rakuten browser extension for over 2 years now. So far, I've earned $1,254 with 73 cents. Now, there's also the SwagButton extension, similar premise. You get cashback bonuses and offers on items that you buy online. I will link both of these Chrome extensions and these apps down below in the descriptions of this YouTube video. Okay, so let's talk about if you're doing your in-store grocery shopping, because one aspect of using the Ibotta app that is absolutely not my favorite part is the preparation needed prior to heading out to the grocery store. So unlike the Fetch Rewards app, you won't be able to simply scan a receipt to Ibotta and instantly earn rewards. With Ibotta, you have to find and add offers to your Ibotta shopping list prior to submitting your receipt. So before you head to the store, open your Ibotta app and on your home screen, scroll down to shop by category, then to grocery. Select the grocery store you plan to shop and start adding offers with the plus sign to your shopping list as shown in this video that you are watching now. Once you finish grocery shopping and have checked out, you can redeem eligible Ibotta offers by uploading your receipt to the app. Look for the upload receipt or submit receipt Instead tab. Ibotta will match the offers you added to your list and credit your account within 24 hours or less. Now, if by chance you forgot to add an offer before submitting your receipt, Ibotta customer care will help you redeem it. Simply submit a request via the in-app help center as soon as you notice the missing offer. Now, one great feature that I do like about Ibotta is that it has a product barcode scanner. You can make sure the product matches the offer by scanning the item at the store. That way you know for sure that you'll be credited with the cashback rewards for your purchase. Now, if you have a loyalty account or card with your favorite grocery store, then make redeeming purchases easier by linking it to Ibotta. Once your loyalty account is linked, Ibotta will be able to receive an electronic submission of your receipt when scanned at checkout. You'll also receive your cashback much faster this way. So if you're at the store and you're getting ready to check out, just make sure you scan your loyalty card or enter your phone number connected to your loyalty account at checkout in order to receive automatic cashback from Ibotta. You can also use Ibotta for grocery pickup and delivery. Simply select your preferred online grocery shopping retailer, such as Walmart Pickup and Delivery or Kroger Online. Add offers to your Ibotta grocery list as usual, then complete your grocery purchase. After you receive or pick up your purchase, Ibotta will credit your account within 24 hours. Now, don't forget, you can also use your Ibotta Chrome or Firefox browser extension to also shop groceries online. To get cashback rewards on other retailer sites such as Macy's, Amazon, Uber Eats, Home Depot, make sure you shop through Ibotta's online shopping portal. Ibotta will take you to the retailer's online shop and record your order. For qualifying retailers, you will receive cash back for your online shopping purchase 7 days after your transaction date. However, some retailers do have different pending periods, which can be found on the offer detail page. All right, now let's talk about the fun stuff. How do you get your money from Ibotta? So you can withdraw your Ibotta earnings to PayPal, bank card, or gift card once you reach the Ibotta withdrawal minimum of $20 in your account. So let's start with cashing out your Ibotta earnings to a bank account. Now, you can choose to link your bank account to Ibotta and transfer your earnings there. There are tons of banks that you can link to. Now, Ibotta uses Plaid to encrypt your bank information and to securely send your money to your account. It will take 1 to 3 business days to withdraw your Ibotta earnings to your bank once you initiate a transfer. Now, I use this feature to earn a $100 Chime banking bonus when I linked my Chime account to my Ibotta account. I share with you how I did that in this video that you see on your screen right now. Definitely make sure and check that out after you finish watching this video. PayPal works in a similar fashion. Simply link your PayPal account to Ibotta. It will take 1 to 3 business days to withdraw your Ibotta earnings to PayPal once you initiate the transfer. But I found that when I initiate a PayPal transfer, the money usually arrives instantly to my PayPal account. Normally, it happens within minutes. Now, the third option is to withdraw your earnings to a gift card, but I would not recommend doing that. That's because for some reason, Ibotta doesn't give you cashback rewards on the transfer when you do it this way. Instead, it's better to use the gift cards option on the homepage of the app to buy a retailer gift card with your earnings. This way, you'll earn cash back on the gift card purchase and make the most with your Ibotta earnings. Something that's super important to know is that Ibotta will charge you an account maintenance fee after 6 months of account inactivity. An amount of $3.99 will be deducted from your account on a monthly basis until the account balance reaches zero. Ibotta wants to make sure that you're staying active and that you're using the rebate app. Now, if you find yourself inactive on Ibotta and 6 months is approaching, then just quickly redeem one rebate offer on Ibotta to avoid the maintenance fee. All right, so now it's time to go down the line of my Ibotta cheat sheet. This is what's going to enable you to earn more money with the Ibotta app. This is what has helped me earn over $17,000 with Ibotta, so definitely you'll want to stick around for this section. Now, for the first one, I already mentioned this, but it's good to go over it again. Now, Ibotta has this great feature where they give you cash back for buying gift cards at your favorite retailer or restaurant through them. This is perfect if you want to buy, say, a birthday gift card for someone, or if you just want to buy a gift card for yourself and put more cashback rewards in your pocket. Now, from your home screen, simply go to the shop by category, then go over to gift cards, select the gift card you wish to purchase, and with your linked bank account or with your Ibotta earnings, you can make a purchase. Now, I've purchased gift cards for Airbnb as well as AMC as well as DSW. Now, this is one of the apps that I use to purchase gift cards. The other app that I use to earn cashback rewards on gift cards is linked linked down below in the descriptions of this YouTube video. Ibotta is also great for nabbing free stuff, so many of the retailers partnered with Ibotta are spending their marketing dollars introducing you to new products. They do this by giving away free products through the Ibotta app. Every week, you'll notice a handful of free after offer freebies in your app. Add them to your Ibotta grocery list and redeem them during your next shopping trip. What's better than free? Well, it's free stuff moneymakers. On many occasions, you'll notice the Ibotta free after offer is more than the price of the product at the store. Find and redeem these offers for free stuff and free money. Additionally, you can combine these with manufacturer coupons. That is going to add even more free money in your pocket. So here, for example, is a product that I redeemed. It cost me $1.48 during my Walmart shopping trip. Now, Ibotta returned $1.98 in cashback rewards for it, and I could have bought multiple items of this particular product. Now, in the end, I got the product for free, plus I made 50 cents on the offer. Make sure you're stacking your cashback rewards. Now, Ibotta is where I get the most cashback for all of my in-store grocery shopping, but that doesn't mean you can't stack your rewards by using other popular money savings apps. I use Fetch Rewards as well as Receipt Hog to stack my rewards even higher on the same products. That allows me to earn even more money by scanning my receipts into all of my cashback apps. You can also earn extra cash with Ibotta bonuses. Now, Ibotta offers weekly bonuses to allow you to earn even more money. There sometimes are even monthly bonuses. Now, the way you earn this cash is you redeem a certain number of offers or you do other fun activities. Just keep tabs on these and make sure that your next Ibotta haul is a worthwhile one. You can also stack Ibotta with the P&G Good Everyday Rewards program. Now, this is a unique program for people who want to make an impact. As a member, you'll have an opportunity to take quizzes, answer surveys, and scan your receipts featuring P&G products for reward points. Now, collect points for each engagement and redeem them for rewards. Now, as you earn, P&G will automatically make donations to the causes you care about the most. Best of all, you can double dip and earn rewards with P&G Good Everyday Rewards program, as well as redeem P&G product offers in your Ibotta app. And lastly, and this is also the biggest one that has made the most impact on my cashback rewards with Ibotta. Now, saving money is so much better when you do it with friends. That's why Ibotta offers an awesome Refer a Friend program. Simply use your special referral code to invite friends and acquaintances to join Ibotta. You will earn $10 for each person that joins. Now, I recorded a special video that shares with you how I earned $30,000 with Refer and Earn apps. I will share the link down below in the YouTube description. Guys, use that video to start earning lots of money with Ibotta. Thanks so much for watching. Please do me a favor, hit that like button on this video and subscribe to my channel if you want more information just like this. I will see you again in the next one. Take care. Bye-bye.